Hi, yeah, folks. Today I'm gonna show you my new squishy collection. Part 8 or 9. I will go see, okay? So don't care about what part is it. And I only have a new squishy, okay? So don't get too excited. And the squishy is... Wait, focus first. And the Hello Kitty biscuit, and it's very cute. Oh, and the tag from the Hello Kitty. Don't care about those background noises. That's my mother playing computer, okay? The tag, okay. I'm gonna move back a little bit so you can see. And it's a very cute Hello Kitty with a bow, of course. Common sense. And it's very squishy, and over here it's the pink color cream, and it's yellow color squishy from Hello Kitty. You see there, Hello Kitty? And it's very squishy as well. The tag is very sticky. And that's the Hello Kitty. The Hello Kitty biscuit squishy. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for tuning in. Goodbye.